Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the first property in Italy we have just listed. It's a one bedroom, one bath. It's in Piemonte area. It's in the north area of Italy, close to Turin. This is the bathroom with a shower and toilet and bidet. The apartment they have great light. You can tell. It's in the fourth floor without the elevator, but it's okay. Now we're gonna check the living room. No, they have radiator for the heating in the winter, and they have wall units, not central, AC. Um, they have a view to the street. They have a small balcony. The homeowners association is 672 a year euros, and the taxes annual is 326 for the taxes. This is the kitchen. It's used to in Italy. They take the kitchen out when they move out. It's a gallery kitchen, and this one is the bedroom with a wall unit for AC. Like I say, they have a nice light from the fourth floor. They have view to the community. It's like a five buildings. This unit they can be rented for, let's say, 320 euros a month, or they can be rented at Airbnb. The only problem is in the fourth floor without elevators. They have a nice view. It's close to the public transportation. It's really close to the train station, so it's a really good deal. Seller is asking for 40,000 US dollars for this apartment. They need some job, but it's really cheap for an apartment in Italy, especially in the north area. If you are interested, send me a message. If you would like to receive more information about properties in Italy, click in the subscription and click in the notification. So every time I receive any property and I upload the videos, you're gonna receive the notification and you don't lose any deals. So thank you so much.